Hello, today we will guide you through how to book 50 profit in Exness. In this walkthrough, we'll use the Exness web terminal to open a trade, set it up, and then adjust the take profit so it targets 50. The process is simple once you know where each option is, so just follow along carefully and take your time at each screen. Begin by opening the Exness web terminal in your browser. Once the trading interface loads, make sure you are in the Instruments section. If you are on a different tab or panel, click Instruments so you can view the list of available assets. This is important because the next selection will be made from that area. From there, click on the Coins category. This will display the available coin instruments you can trade. Make sure you select the coin you want before moving forward, since the order settings you apply will affect that specific position. Next, look to the upper right part of your screen. You'll see the option to choose either buy or sell. Select the one that matches the direction of the trade you want to place. After that, click into the volume field and the take profit field so you can adjust them as needed. This part controls your position size and the target where profit will be taken automatically. So enter your settings carefully and double check them before continuing. When everything looks correct, click. Confirm to continue. This places the order using the settings you selected. After the trade is active, locate the coin position you chose and click Modify Position. This will open the editing panel for that live trade. Now go to the Take Profit area and use the plus icon to increase the value until it reaches 50. Move slowly here so you don't go past the target. If needed, pause for a moment and verify that the value shown is exactly 50 before saving the change. This step is what sets your profit target based on the instructions in this process. Once you have finished adjusting it, click Modify Position to apply the update. That saves the new Take Profit setting to your trade. And that's it. You have opened the position, adjusted the trade settings, and updated the take profit to 50 in the Exness web terminal. As a final tip, always review the trade details before confirming any action, especially the direction, volume, and take profit value, so your setup matches your intended trade exactly.